Nevertheless, commentaries. Igor Bruce uvele wangisurprise namhlanje. Uvele nje weza ne-4-4-2. Bengayilindele le approach eze ngayo. But when they show ukuthi uba ne-wing play kumHauko Kota noMofokeng. But bekune-coaching detail laphaya ethi ama-fullbacks wakhe uKabini ngapha ka-left will keep i-position kodwa ngapha ka-right uNico Mopi will attack a-overlap, then uMhaonkota attack in to allow uNico Mopi ukuthi a-overlap aphulele ngama-cross, because siyazi uNico Mopi can whip in those crosses. I think that was very, very beautiful to watch, and it was working, especially in the first half. Mabuga ibafana bafuna create ama-chances awu-9 okuwukuthi ugoalkeeper eMozambique wavimbe wonke lawo mabhola wama-9, and kulawo mabhola wama-9 bekunama-clear chances ayi-3 with uRele, uKwayiba, I think uRele twice noKwayiba, and ugoalkeeper weMozambique made 9 very, very beautiful saves ukwenza sure ukuthi igame yakwi-half time ku-0-0. But uma ububuka uhlangothi loka-left lakade khona uRele, uma ubheka ucoach indlela approach ngayo leya game, uRele bewukuthi uzoba yi-winger but also abuye attack in, kungadini lapho, because uma ubheka i-coaching detail bengasho ukuthi uKabini overlap, kodwa beyithi uRele uma bethaka in uzolink i-play between uLeroux benoMaphangule mase join i-attack, okuwukuthi phambili lapha benama-strikers awu-2, uKwayiba, which sometimes can be converted as a 10, but namhlanje ngibona ngathi ucoach umdlalisa as a striker or as a second striker emva kaMbuthuma, which I think uMbuthuma had a very, very beautiful game namhlanje. Ama-runs wakhe off the ball, uma ngabe receive iball eholder, ukuhlanganisa ama-combination play nokusetha up ama-chances. Some of those clear chances engikhuluma ngayo 3 ku-first half, amabili wawo a-creator uyena uMbuthuma, mengewona wonke a-creator uyena uMbuthuma, kusho ukuthi umfana ubevele vele enegame enhle kakhulu namhlanje. Naye kwayiba ube nayo igame enhle, abekhona ama-combination plays, especially kwi-second half. Not much kwi-first half apart from ama-chances awatholile okuthi ugoalkeeper weMozambique was very, very brilliant today. But on the second half I saw Kwayiba coming to life, coming to the game. More for the coaching details, the second half was a little bit different. More indlela approaching a corner second half from get-go. They showed that we are here to win. But there's a mistake eyenziwe yilokhunjane khona lapho sisakhuluma nge-coaching detail. There's a mistake eyenziwe umdlali ngazi igama lakhe weMozambique obegqoke number 10. I did not understand what he was trying to do. Mangabe suka nje as a center without looking up, avele adlala i-back pass engamcheck ngogoalkeeper ukuthi ukuphi, which resulted kwi-corner kick. From that standard situation, uMhaonkota whip in a corner kick, uKwayiba head it in, celebrate ekoneni. So I did not understand uloya mdlalo bezama ukwenzani. Actually I do understand bezama ukwenzani, but I did not understand the fact that azange azabheka ukuthi ugoalkeeper ukuthi ukuphi, but uvele nje washaya i-back pass, weight incorrect, i-direction yebhola beyi not correct, akambhekanga ugoalkeeper ukuthi ukuphi futhi, resulted on a-corner kick, and leyo corner kick ibe igoli lokuqala eBafana, which was very, very disappointing uma bubuka indlela ugoalkeeper abe ne-game enhle ngakhona kwi-first half. He put in a man of the match performance goalkeeper weMozambique kwi-first half. Now second half ube nawo ama-saves, but kwi-first half he was very, very brilliant. I wasn't surprised uma bengibona bemkhipha number 10 weMozambique, which is number 10 weMozambique, because after leya blunder ayenzile ngaleya back pass, there was no way ukuthi as a coach you want to keep him, because from that moment you could see ukuthi moral yakhe ithe ukushaya kancane umfana, but we are hoping he learned uzo improve igame yakhe kuya phambili. On the other hand futhi i-detail yokudlala ngama-defenders awu-5 kwiMozambique angizange ngize ngi-understand ukuthi bekuyini inhloso yayo, knowing probably it worked for us ngoba besidlala ngama-strikers ayi-2, because lama-strikers awu-2 okube uKwayiba noMbuthuma benze short ukuphin lawo ama-center back omathathu emuva, bagcine bedlala sa-low block uMozambique, which was very, very dangerous, because ama-presses akade enziwa iBafana, ama-high presses akade enziwa iBafana abe very, very dangerous, and they could have resulted into many, many goals. leya game ingaphela at least ngo-11-0 the way bekunama-chances angakhona ngicabanga ukuthi kube nama-chances awu-20 awu-11 wawo on target and we only managed to score 2 goals. So leya low block beyi-very very dangerous in my opinion, and ucoach ngicabanga ukuthi bekufanele ukuthi ayibone leya nto on the first half and then ayilungise, but azange azayilungise. Sibuyele kubafana bafana, I think uHugo Broos mabe enza ama-substitutes wakhe, I think game namhlanje it was a perfect game la besingakwazi ukubona khona umdlalo ofana noRele ekunumber 10, mase sibuka uAustin Police elapha kwi-left wing, mase kube khona uMhonkotha ku-right wing, then ngoba bese kukhona i-striker uCubilo, then I think we would have seen a very very different game, and I think we would have created more opportunities and scored even more goals kuleya game. But I don't know why ucoach ethathe uRele wamkhipha wafaka uAustin Police. Sonke ke siyazi ukuthi especially kwibafana bafana nje kuma competitions isikhathi esiningi hlale kudlala Police as a left wing. It's either Mfokeng come in as a substitution in place yakhe uAustin Police. So kubukeka sengazi ukuthi they are creating a competition between these two boys, which in my opinion is not a good thing. I believe that bobabili bekhona lapha egroundini they can give us ama-dynamics athe ukuhluka attacking. Since sinenye ke futhi manje right wing kuMhonkotha singasadependile kwi-full back okuMrena, because it was very very disappointing ukubona ibafana bafana mabe yenza ama-changes ikhipha uMkwana lapha kwi-right wing mesifaka i-full back. It was very very kind of embarrassing. So since sinaye uMhonkotha and proved ukuthi uyayisement indawo yakhe kuleya ndawo, we know manje ukuthi it's balanced ka right, we are balanced ka left, no Austin Police ka left, no Rele ngabe ukhona uMkwana ukhona uMhonkotha. I'm hoping ukuthi sizokwazi futhi ukusolve indaba ye-striker since ekhona i-striker lesi uIkram Reyners. I'm hoping ukuthi we will find ama-solutions futhi also laphaya ukabukhohlwa umfana odlala phesheya sikamkhohlwa futhi siyabona noCubilo mhlawumbe ngase kwenzeka aqhamuke na something, since lela goal lakhe was technique, lela goal was very very brilliant in my opinion. But nevertheless, this is nevertheless commentaries. Nevertheless the game was very very beautiful, but I believe emva kwama-changes awenzile uHugo Broos u-invite i-pressure unnecessarily, because sibone iMozambique seyinesikhathi ebholeni, sinema-space nesikhathi ebholeni, because lama high press akade ekhona kusekhona uRele kusekhona uMbuthuma abengasekho after ama-changes. I think from 70 minutes they could have equalized ngama-chances abawatholile iMozambique. Mawubheka nje afana mamfakile obegqoka unamba bani ngonje bayigama lo mfana sengikhohliwe igama lakhe, but uke wathola i-header and ugoalkeeper ke wenza a very very good save laphayana. Waphinde waba yi-set piece nakhona futhi engibone be-in 6s and 7s laphaya Osbisi, nakhona futhi cishe resulta in a goal. So cishe mathola ama-goal awu-2 in last 10 minutes ba-equalize, and i-game could have ended up with 2-2. Nevertheless-ke siyabonga ukuthi ibafana idlale kahle, and though i-defense ingathestekanga, leya combination kaSibisi noMbokazi ayithestekanga in my opinion namhlanje. I also think leya mfowethu bedlala Nico Mobi lapha had a very very beautiful game, but bebengathestwanga. So I'm worried ngalokho ukuthi le game namhlanje zange ziba-test i-defense yethu. Leya Diamond kaSibisi kaChain kaMbokazi lehlala siyibona kwi-Pirate ayithestekanga, but I wanted ukuthi ibe tested to see ukuthi uma sekuthiwa kuba nenkinga kubantu abavama ukudlala ama-position kuRonan Williams, kuGrant Kekana, kuMthobi Mvala, obani abanye abadlala lapha nabanye abajwayele ukudlala leya position. Makuthiwa kuba nenkinga singakwazi ngobasebenzisa labo bobathathu okuChain, okuMbokazi, okuSibisi, but uma bengathestekanga you can't really say it bavuthiwe bangayibamba leya position. But nevertheless it was a beautiful game. I think I've covered most part of this game if I'm not mistaken. So if kukhona ngekhohlana senengikhumbuza, but ibafana had a very very beautiful game, especially the first half and the first part of the second half. Overall, game yonke overall beyi good, but we couldn't. Uma ubukile khunjani score asiyona true reflection of what was happening in that game. Nevertheless, it is what it is. It was a friendly game. In my opinion, I think a friendly game is why we need to go all out and show what we can do as a sporting country. Another point that I want to make is I do not understand what Ibafana Bafana with Southern Hemisphere is brilliant in terms of soccer, or it's just that our member countries are work that good. It's either we are brilliant and as in a competition, or on our neighbors are not that good and are not giving us a competition. Those niggas are a false hope. We are good or we are a better national team. Only to find out when AFCON or World Cup, it's not the case. But since now my team a computer kuma higher level njenge-Sundowns elapha kwi-Club World Cup and next year futhi zobe khona kwi-CAF Champions League, i-Pirates kwi-CAF Champions League, i-Chiefs izobe khona futhi kwi-Confederations Cup, I think. I'm not sure about the Stellenbosch, I'm not sure about the Durban City, but you might have 3 or 4 teams akhombisa kwisigaba esiphezulu e-Africa next season. I am hoping ukuthi-ke lo kuzophinda futhi kusinikeza ama-benefits kwiBafana Bafana, especially kuya phambili. But what I'm happy about is to seeing ama-young stars kwiBafana Bafana and inikeza i-performance yomhlaba. That was a takeout for me namhlanje, ukubona lama-young stars inikeza i-performance yomhlaba, and I'm hoping we'll see more in the future. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Nevertheless, commentaries, subscribe, comment, and like.